On today's menu, an extraordinary recipe you'll definitely be in a hurry to make. An incredibly hearty tofu masala. Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is a real treat because it's incredibly easy to make and of course it's very, very delicious. Let's begin. 1 red onion, finely chopped. 1 to 2 pieces of garlic, grated. Grate 1 small piece of ginger. One long green chili pepper, finely chopped. Peel 5 shallots and chop them in half. Pat dry about 350 grams of extra firm tofu with a paper towel. Slice the tofu into bite-sized pieces. Two Roma tomatoes, diced. These are amazing cardamom pods. They're incredibly aromatic. Now it's completely up to you if you want to leave the pods whole or just use the seeds. You can use the butt of the knife to open the pods to extract the seeds. Saute pan. Medium heat. About a tablespoon of avocado oil. Tofu. Sear the tofu for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't worry about the tofu bits getting stuck to the pan as it will get deglazed. Shallots. Saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Set aside the tofu and shallots. Man, that looks delicious enough to eat right now. But by the way, if you've been enjoying the cooking show here on YouTube, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of the brand new 3rd cookbook simply titled Young Man Cooking. This cookbook is the 3rd installment in our cookbook collection that has most of your favorite recipes from the cooking show here on YouTube. To take a sneak peek inside the books or for more information, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Now, let's get cooking. Saute pan back to medium heat. So on the channel here, I always say that this is not meant to be the only way of making this recipe. This is just simply one way. And of course, to make it Young Man Cooking complete, we're gonna be using this delicious, spicy, smoky, really aromatic chili oil I made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. 3 tablespoons chili oil. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. 3 dried chili peppers, seeds from 4 cardamom pods. Fry the spices for a couple of minutes. Red onions. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Garlic, ginger, and green chili. Saute for another couple of minutes. One teaspoon sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons garam masala. Saute for a couple of minutes. You can also use 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder in lieu of the paprika. 1/4 cup water. Give the pan a good stir and cook for a couple of minutes. Roma tomatoes. Stir the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Half a cup tomato puree. Stir and cook for a couple of minutes. Have a little patience and you'll start to see a beautiful separation in the oils. Add back in the tofu and shallots. Give the pan a good stir. Third cup water. Stir. Cover and cook just under medium for about 10 minutes. 1/4 cup coconut cream. Plate. Garnish with some fresh cilantro and a drizzle more of coconut cream. You can now enjoy this spectacular dish with absolute confidence. This almost looks like a work of art. I almost don't even want to eat it. I just want to stare at it. My goodness. That is definitely a party I want to attend. I mean, visually, this dish is absolutely gorgeous. It has this beautiful crimson, fiery red color and these almost soft-looking pillows that are just dotted throughout the dish. And you get that bright green color from the cilantro. Just from that initial bite, you get this incredible amount of complex flavors. The spicy, got some salty, all those amazing aromatic spices. The gravy is just so earthy, it's rich, it's thick. It's got this extraordinary separation in that oil. And the chili oil by default already brings a lot of that aromatic lift. Has a little spiciness and of course that phenomenal smoky flavor. All of the spices and all of those components literally just melt together into this gravy. You get the sweetness from the tomatoes and that coconut cream just adds this sort of lightness and a slight almost fruity flavor. The tofu adds this really nice, satisfying, contrasting, firm texture and it just absorbs all of that delicious sauce. You have this phenomenal, rich, thick gravy, and then you have this lightness from the cilantro, the freshness, and yet it's incredibly savory, absolutely visually stunning, and of course, it's very, very easy to make. I always say it on this channel that I love easy, rustic, delicious recipes like this that just makes it so exciting to cook at home because it turns your home kitchen into an amazing restaurant. If you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. You can also check out the Young Men Cooking merch or the plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all those things. And if you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.